Welcome to your first step in speaking English. To talk about yourself, you need one basic structure. This text equation shows exactly where we start. I'm equals I am. When speaking naturally, we rarely say both words separately. We drop the letter A and slide the remaining letters together to make a shortcut, I'm. Understanding this single short word is the required starting point for sharing who you are, how you feel, and what you are doing right now. Let's look at a common mistake. In many languages, you can describe yourself by just saying the word I and an emotion. This warning text shows the error in English, saying I happy. In English, that structure is broken. You must insert the verb am using our shortcut. The correct sentence is I'm happy. Every English sentence needs an active verb. By always using I'm instead of just the letter I, you automatically lock that required verb into place. Now we can use this exact formula to share your current emotions. You just pair the word I'm directly with a feeling. Look at this list. You can say, I'm happy, I'm nervous, or I'm excited. The pattern repeats every time. We handle physical conditions the exact same way. You just swap the emotion for a physical state. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm cold. Whether you are describing a mood in your mind or a feeling in your body, the grammatical structure never changes. We also use this formula to share personal facts. This card shows how to state your age. I'm 25 years old. To tell someone where you live, we take our baseline equation and add one small word, from. Watch how these sentences build. I'm from Canada. I'm from Italy. I'm from Japan. The core logic holds steady. By trading a feeling for a number or a place, you use the exact same shortcut to share your permanent identity. Beyond permanent facts and temporary feelings, we use this structure to describe what we are doing in the present moment. This brings us to another common trap. The red card shows the mistake of attaching I'm to a plain action word, I'm learn English. To fix this, modify the action word by adding ing to the end. The correct form is I'm learning English. Let's try another action. If you want to talk about your speech practice right now, you say, I'm practicing speaking. Attaching those 3 letters to the end of the action word creates a continuous motion. It places you perfectly in the middle of the activity. Let's test how well you recognize these patterns. Look at these 3 incomplete sentences on the screen. What words fit into these blanks? Let's check the answers. I'm happy. I'm from Canada. I'm learning English. Let's lock in the rules. This list summarizes today's lesson. I'm means I am. Use it to talk about yourself, and add an ing to action words happening right now. Take 10 seconds right now to practice this. Go to the comments below and type out one true sentence about yourself, starting with I'm. Taking the time to master this single phrase gives you the structural foundation needed to start communicating clearly in English. Keep practicing.